Hello students, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss some more problems of the chapter Inverse Trigonometric Function. First, question number 1. Solve sin inverse 1 minus x minus 2 sin inverse x is equal to pi by 2. First, step 1. Choose any one function and take into right hand side. I will take second term. Sin inverse 1 minus x is equal to pi by 2. This is plus 2 times sin inverse x. Now, second step, take this function sin inverse into right hand side. If you take this function to right hand side, sin inverse, now sin and sin pi by 2 plus 2 times sin inverse x. Let us consider this is our theta. It is sin 90 plus theta. And what is the formula of sin 90 plus theta? Cos theta. And what is the theta? Write down. This is the formula sin 90 minus theta. This is our 90 plus theta. This is our cos theta. It is, if it is plus, it is cos theta. If it is minus, it is also cos theta, no doubt. Next, take this is angle A. This is cos 2A, and we have a formula that cos 2A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A, 1 minus 2 sin square A, and 2 cos square A minus 1. But we will take second formula. Why? Because there is a term sin inverse x, and here also there is a term sin. So we will choose this formula. And this is our angle A, 1 minus 2 times sin A. Sin, what is the value of A? Sin inverse x and whole square. Cos 2 times A, 1 minus 2 times sin A whole square. Now, sin of sin inverse, this is our x. Type 1, sin of sin inverse x is equal to x, and here a square, so it is x square. Now 1 cancel, x equal to 2 times x square, or you can write 2x square minus x equal to 0. Take x common, 2x minus 1 equal to 0. From here we will get x equal to 0. From here we will get x equal to 1 by 2. But this is not possible. Why? If you put x equal to 1 by 2 here, put x equal to 1 by 2. Left hand side is equal to minus pi by 6. But right hand side is pi by 2. Hence we cannot take x equal to 1 by 2. Answer is 0. Similarly, next question. Sin inverse x plus sin inverse 1 minus x is equal to cos inverse x. This is our ISC board question 2013. This is a APC book, example number 43. It is same question like previous question, and we have to apply same trick. But here the function is sine. Here the function is sine, but here the function is cos. That means we have to convert cos inverse x into sin inverse x to make it equal function. Sin inverse x plus sin inverse 1 minus x is equal to cos inverse x equal to pi by 2 minus sin inverse x. Trigonometry formula. We know that sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Hence, cos inverse x equal to 90 minus sin inverse x. Now, take this function to right hand side. If you take this function, then we will get sin inverse 1 minus x equal to 90 minus 2 times sin inverse x. Now second step, take this function right hand side, 1 minus x equal to Sine 90 minus 2 sine inverse x. Now you can do it like previous question. The x equal to 0 and x equal to 1 by 2. Here both are correct. If you put x equal to 0, left hand side is equal to right hand side. If you put x equal to 1 by 2, left hand side is equal to right hand side. So answer is 0 and 1 by 2. Question number 3. Sin inverse 5 by x plus sin inverse 12 by x is equal to pi by 2. It's also board question, ISC 2015. Same trick. Choose any one function and take it to right hand side. I will choose second function. Sin inverse 5 by x is equal to pi by 2 minus sin inverse 12 by x. Second step, take this function into right hand side. 5 by x equal to sin pi by 2 minus sin inverse 12 by x. Let's say our theta. Sin 90 minus theta, that is cos theta. Here the function is cos, here the function is sin. We have to convert this function into cos inverse. And cos inverse, how to convert it? This is sin inverse 12 by x. This is equal to theta. For example, 12 by x equal to sin theta. It is our perpendicular. It is our hypotenuse. P equal to 12, h equal to x. What is the value of b? Root over h square minus p square. X square minus 144, 12 square. Hence cos theta equal to b by h. B by h. So b equal to root over x square minus 144 and h equal to x. Now put here cos inverse root over x square minus 144 divided by x, and hence 5 by x equal to root over x square minus 144 by x. Now simply squaring both sides and cross multiply, you will get the value of x. You will get x square equal to 169 after solving, and x equal to, we know that, plus or minus root 13. But answer is only x equal to 13. X equal to minus 13 is not possible. Why? If you put a minus 13 here, it's a negative. It gives a fourth quadrant angle, or negative 0 to minus pi by 2. Here also negative. It gives an angle 0 to minus pi by 2. Sorry, you have to write like this. Minus pi to 0. Minus pi by 2 to 0. And addition of two negative angle is not equal to pi by 2. Hence we cannot take this negative value. We will take only positive value. Sin inverse x by 2 plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 6. Same trick, same logic. Take this function right hand side, pi by 6 minus cos inverse x. Or you can take this function also. Then take this function sin pi by 6 minus cos inverse x. In this case, we have to apply the formula of sin A minus B. This is A, this is B. Sin A minus B formula. And we know that sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. And sin A pi by 6. What is the value of B? Cos inverse x. So cos of cos inverse x minus cos A pi by 6 into sin B sin of cos inverse x. Here, what is the value of sin pi by 6? Put the value of sin pi by 6 and put the value of cos pi by 6. This is 1 by 2. Cos of cos inverse x is x. This is root 3 by 2. And here the function is sine, but here is cos. We have to make it sine. This is sine inverse root over 1 minus x square. If you have doubt, I am doing here. Cos inverse x equal theta. X equal to cos theta. This is base is 1. It is base, it is height. So b equal to x, h equal to 1. Sin theta equal to p by h. 1 below p, root over, and theta equal to sin inverse. Now this is our x by 2. This is our root 3 times root over 1 minus x square by 2. This is equal to x by 2. X and y to cancel with each other. Then root 3 times root 3 1 minus x square by 2 is equal to 0. And this is equal to root over 1 minus x square equal to 0. And x square equal to 1 and x equal to plus or minus 1. Here also you cannot take x equal to minus 1. Same logic. Put x equal to minus 1 and check it. This is not possible. Only x equal to 1 is our answer.